In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use color scale conditional formatting in Google Sheets on desktop. Color scales are a fast way to turn raw numbers into a visual story. Instead of scanning columns, you'll be able to spot highs, lows, and trends at a glance using gradients of color. Let's walk through the process clearly and simply. Start by selecting the range of cells you want to format. You can click and drag across a single column, a full table, or any block of numbers. If you don't want headers or labels to be colored, make sure you select only the numeric cells beneath them. You can always adjust the selection later if needed. Next, go to the top menu and choose Format, then Conditional Formatting. This opens the Conditional Format Rules panel on the right side of your screen, where all your formatting settings live. In that panel, switch to Color Scale. This is different from the single color option. Instead of highlighting cells that meet a specific rule, a color scale applies a gradient across all values in your selection, mapping color to value. Now, pick a preset color scale or customize the colors for the minimum, midpoint, and maximum. Presets are great for speed. For example, green for high values and red for low values, or a blue gradient for a cleaner look. If you customize, you can choose the exact colors for min, mid, and max. Think about the story you want to tell. A green to red scale is common for good to bad, while a single hue gradient can feel more neutral. Also consider accessibility. High contrast options or blue gradients can be easier to read. If your data needs more control, adjust the value type for the min, mid, and max points. Choose number when you want to lock the scale to specific values, like a minimum of 0 or a maximum of 100. Choose percent to define points relative to the span of your selected range, such as setting the midpoint at 50% of the way between your lowest and highest values. Choose percentile to base the scale on the distribution of your data. For example, a midpoint at the 50th percentile reflects the median rank rather than the raw distance between min and max. This is helpful when your data is skewed or has outliers. When you're happy with the colors and value types, click Done. Your sheet will instantly visualize the range, making patterns and outliers stand out. If something looks off, try refining the selection, adjusting the midpoint, or switching between percent and percentile for a more accurate read of your data. And that's it. Your data now speaks in color.